Hi guys, welcome back to Spot our channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to make only man or only woman show on Tinder for Android. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go to the started. And first one, you can go to the Tinder application that you have been to install it before as usual. Tap on. And after that, there is a have a symbol or the photos in the left corner. And let's go to the settings. Okay, for the next step, you can slide away until you find about show me. Okay, if you want to tap on the show me, tap on the show me. And there is have a three option for you. The first one, man. The second one, woman. And the third one is everyone. Is mean if you tap on the man, you can just to show, or you can just to see about the man, just man. Okay, and how to woman, you can also see the human too. And if you want to click the everyone is mean, you can see the woman, you can see the man. Okay, now I want to see about the man. Okay, now I want to see about the man, and so I click on the man. And now I just see about the man. Okay, let's go to the profile. Oh, now let's go to the feed here and go back and then go back again. Okay, you can see there is a have a man here, just man, not woman here. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to make only man or woman show on Tinder for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and enjoy this application. Bye.